Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video because I will be doing an unboxing on my Wen Scroll Saw 3921. So my backstory on getting a scroll saw. I've been wanting a scroll saw when I first discovered it on Instagram. I came across a beautiful sign and was wondering how this creator made it. So I started doing my research. I kept on showing my husband all the things I can make if I had a scroll saw. So he got me my very first scroll saw for Valentine's. I'm so excited, and now I have to deliver with awesome pieces of art. The pressure is on. Here is the Wen 16-inch variable speed scroll saw manual. It also came with instructions of how to change the alternative blade holder. You can get the Wen scroll saw at Amazon and it costs $110. It also only weighs about 26 pounds. I will share the Amazon link in case you are interested in the Wen scroll saw. So these are the parts that came with the machine. It came with a pin blade, a pinless blade. It came with the components that you need to use for the pinless blade. And it also came with the alternative blade holder. I'm briefly going to go over the major components of the scroll saw. There are different sizes of scroll saw, and this one is a 16-inch. And what that means is from the blade all the way to the back of the arm is 16 inches. The table is also 16 inches, and from the blade to the front of the table, it is 5 inches. This is a flexible light, but honestly, I don't like it because when I'm using the scroll saw, it vibrates and is moving the light around. So I just move it to the side. This is an air blower, and it is to clear the dust when you're cutting the material. And I do love this feature. This right here is to connect vacuum so it could suck all the dust. And then here we have the on and off. And then here is to select the speed. Here is the blade. I already secured it and adjusted the tension. I'm removing the plate so you can see where the blade is attached at the bottom. Here is another view of the air blower, and this is the food clamp that holds the wood or material while you're cutting it, so it's a safety feature. Let's talk a little bit about the blades. Here we have 2 pin blades and 1 pinless blade. For the pinless blade, you will need to use the adapter to hold the pinless blade and attach it to the machine. It is a bit of inconvenience to attach the adapters. I will talk more in depth about the blades and sizes and how to attach the blades in another video. This knob right here is to adjust the air blower and also the foot clamp. And now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate with a piece of wood how the foot clamp works. So the foot clamp is a safety feature for the machine, but for the projects that I want to work with, it's actually on my way, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Now that I summarized the Wen Scroll Saw 16-inch, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and do my first cut. The vibration is low, not bad for not having my scroll saw anchored. I will be getting a tool stand to anchor it in place so I can work on it with ease. Also, because it does create dust, please make sure to attach a vacuum and wear safety masks and glasses to protect yourself. I hope you like this video. I will have more videos of my progress and projects. So please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. See you next time.